guys, I'm gonna unbox Wonderlish America. The motorcycle parts just came, so I'm gonna unbox it, see what they sent me. Obviously I ordered them, see what's in there. Alright, let's pop this baby open. Yo, big boxes. The first box. What in the world is it? Looks like the auxiliary light covers. My God, they're heavy. Very good quality. Good sign right there. Okay, what else? Box number 2. Looks like these are the caps for those ugly holes on the fairings, the body frame, right there. Box number 3. I think this is the extended mud guard, if I'm not wrong. Another box. Man, they're well packaged. Oh, headlight guards. Guys, these are very high quality stuff. It's very heavy. And the material nicely built. Last box. Radiator guards, black. I hope they don't restrict airflow. What's this all about? There is a mesh in the back and in the front to protect from big rocks. Air should be able to get in, but there is a little bit of, it looks like it blocks air a little bit, but we'll see. So these packages are from Wonderlist, how do you call it? And there's another box from Amazon, all motorcycle ports. Oh, never mind. This is just a GoPro accessory, a suction cup. Alright guys, that's about it. Thank you very much. Bye.